Emtee dissed Cassper Nyovest on Insta Stories, but he laughed it off. First of all, unfortunately for Mzansi, Emtee is back. Yes, the same Emtee we thought would have learned a lesson after the series of awkward situations he landed into earlier this year. How do we know this? In a video shared on Insta Stories, the roll-up rapper swore at people who claimed he was high and proceeded to diss Tito Mbawani rapper Cassper Nyovest. Apparently the fact that Cassper does not have kids make him whack. I got responsibilities, your favorite rapper ain't got sh*t going on. Emtee said before he proceeded to call Cassper fat among other things. Obs that SUBCRIBE operate faster than the FBI where Mufasa is concerned, and within minutes they saved the videos and tagged the rapper to come check it out for himself. We guess Cass doesn't even have the energy to be mad anymore because he basically turned the entire diss into a joke. LMAO. This shit is funny as F. Someone please ask Emtee if he's coming to Mabhidado. We need him out to come entertain us. I'll pay the full fee. Then proceeded to rub salt in the wound he just created. LMAO. That Emtee video shitting on me really made my day. Ha ha ha. I would pay real money to see Emtee at Mabhida on the 1st of December, but I don't want him to perform, I just want him to just talk. It'll be like a comedy set.